Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious banana bread cookies, so keep watching. So I have these bananas that are overripe and not really good for much else, but banana bread cookies. Start by sifting 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a dash of salt. When that's all done, go ahead and move that aside. And we're going to bring in another bowl. This bowl has half a cup of butter that's softened at room temperature. Add 3/4 cups of sugar, and we just want to blend this together until that butter and sugar are well combined. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then 2 large eggs. We're going to do one at a time. Now we're going to mash up about 3 of our bananas that are over-ripened. Pour our mashed bananas into our mixture. And mix. Now we're just going to fold in our flour mixture to our wet ingredients. Here we go. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Add in 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix. You'll notice that this is a very wet batter, and that's okay. They're going to turn out great. Now just scoop out about a tablespoon worth and add it to our parchment paper. We just want to bake this at 350 degrees for anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes. And after about 13 minutes, you can take them out of the oven. This seems to be the perfect time, so now just let them cool completely. And now it's time for the taste test. Let's first pull one apart and see what it looks like. Look at that. It's kind of a mixture between a cookie and bread. It's absolutely amazing. It has that banana flavor in there. It's just like you're eating banana bread that's cooked a little better. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these banana bread cookies. These were fun, these were different, and they're absolutely amazing. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button and check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Make some banana bread cookie. Now, pour the mashed bananas into our mixture. Pour the mashed banana. We're going to scoop out a little bit. We're going to scoop out about a tablespoon, and you'll notice that this is a very